Hello and welcome to my channel. Today is the winner for my back to basic with the envelope punch board. With the boxes and bits and pieces that I will put in for you. So there's loads. I think I'm going to be putting in a mug already cut out, so all you've got to do is put it together. This is a 2-inch cracker, 2x2x2, that I'm going to put in for you, and your boxes, large boxes. So quite a nice little lot for you all. So there is 16 people that actually commented, and thank you very, very much for everybody that commented. I am truly blessed. I'm slowly getting to 600 subbies, very, very slowly, but I'm very, very blessed that I have got over 500. So anyway, I'm digressing. So thank you everybody for supporting me as usual, for my back to basics, and I'm hoping that you love it all as much as me, because I love showing you what you can do with your boards. So without further ado, 1 to 16, and let's generate a number. Oops, hold on, my phone's gone funny. Put it there. Let's generate a number. Good luck, ladies. Number 5, and that's Sherry. Oh, Sherry. Is it Sherry? That's the first time that you've won anything. Well done. And and can you message me, because I haven't got your address or anything. So I'll be sending loads of goodies to you with with everything. And thank you again for your support, and it's lovely to have somebody different to win. Have a lovely rest of the Sunday, and and have a lovely week as well. Bye for now, and God bless.